So, how many of you would like more money in your life? How many of you would like more time in your life? Oh, come on, guys, help me out here. How many of you would like more of both in your life? All right, that's better. Well, you've come to the right place. I know some of you are thinking, who's this guy with this gray hair here? Can he really relate to my situation? Can he relate to my age? Well, I'm going to suggest to you, I've been in my 20s. This will come as a shock to some of you, but I've been in my 30s as well. I suggest to you that maybe some of you might not have been in your 40s, and certainly not in your 50s. Yeah, I can relate to you. I know that some of you would like to experience the finer things in life. I know that some of you would like to go to really fine restaurants and experience really exotic food and take terrific trips and go to exotic places. I know some of you would just like to not get up to a screaming alarm clock every morning. So yeah, I can relate to you. Before we get started, I'm going to ask that you take out your cell phone and turn it to the silent position. Just a couple of housekeeping things here. Also, if you need to use the restroom, just go ahead and stand up, walk to the back of the room. One of my associates will show you where it's at. Before we get started though, I just want to acknowledge you for coming out tonight. How many of you realize that 90% of success is just showing up? Thank you, absolutely. So I just acknowledge you for being here and thank you for coming out. But I also want to thank Mr. Vernon Williams. I want to thank Mr. Vernon Williams for providing us with this opulent place to have this meeting tonight, with this absolutely gorgeous view. You know, Mr. Williams is completely and totally financially free. What that means is he could be anywhere in the world he wants. He could be doing anything in the world that he wants. And he chooses to be here with you, to offer you potentially life-changing information. Now I say potentially life-changing because for it to actually change your life, you would have to, what? Apply it. Thank you very much. How many of you realize I ask a lot of questions when I teach? Why might I do that? Absolutely. It gets you involved, and that's the way we learn. We learn by actually doing. That's the first thing that we want to learn here at Trinant is when we teach you something, we actually would like you to do it. That's the way it happens. But before I bring out Mr. Williams, I want to bring out Mr. Barry Sherway. Barry is a very successful entrepreneur here in the Valley. He's an excellent leader at Trinant, my personal mentor and friend. Please help me welcome Mr. Barry Sherway. Come on up, Barry. Come on, don't be shy. All right, thank you.